This is Brian Scalo from LG Mobilecom, here to share with you today the recently announced LG Viper 4G, coming soon to a Sprint store near you. Now what I can tell you right now is what you're looking at is an early pre-production device from LG, going to Sprint sometime this year. Software is not final, hardware is not final, so things are still subject to change. As far as pricing, have no idea, no clue. As far as availability, again, no clue, because this product is still in development. The only reason why we're showing it is because Sprint is really excited about their upcoming 4G network launch, and they wanted to get the devices that are going to be launching on that network out to the press for you guys to check out. So right now it's running, it is running Android 2.3.7. What I can tell you about the display, it's a 4-inch display, but it is utilizing LG's proprietary award-winning Nova display technology. So you're going to get 700 nits of brightness. So it's the same exact display that you saw previously on the marquee that I'm sure we talked about in the past. So in direct sunlight, you're not going to have a problem looking at this bad boy. You're going to see everything, whether it's text, pictures, whatever. It doesn't matter if you're sitting in a Central Park in New York City or sitting at the beach, whether it's the fall or the summer. If you're in direct sunlight, you're going to see everything. Got a really nice looking design to it. I think it's got a really sharp look with the chrome edges and this kind of metallic looking finish on the back. What I can tell you is that all the plastics that are the components of this handset that are built into this handset are all made from recycled materials. I'm not exactly sure what the percentages are of all the recycled materials yet. They're still trying to accrue that data for us prior to launch, so we have it available when it does launch. But it's a very eco-friendly product, and that's definitely something that Sprint has definitely been striving for, is to be very eco-friendly with their products. It's also going to be more efficient when charging your phone, as far as so it'll take less time to charge your phone. So again, another avenue of being eco-friendly. It is essentially a pure vanilla Android experience, albeit it does have Sprint ID, so that consumer can download the Sprint ID packs and kind of customize their phones very quickly that way if they wanted to, or you can not use it and download whatever apps you want and wallpapers you want, or whatever skin you want to it and make it what you want. That's the beauty of Android. What I can tell you, again, this is our first handset for Sprint, launching later this year, featuring LTE technology for them. It's also another first for LG in the Sprint partnership. This is our first dual-core handset with Sprint. So we haven't had a dual-core handset at Sprint yet. Yes, we've had the first dual-core handset to market in the world. We had the first 3D handset in the world. We also had the first high-definition display in the world. So for Sprint, this will be their first dual-core from LG. It's a 1.2 gigahertz dual-core processor. It's also, and something worth noting, it's also going to be LG's first phone for Sprint that can record high-definition video, 720p and 1080p, because previously devices like Marquee and anything previous to that did not record in HD at all. As far as connectivity is concerned, you have your usuals, Bluetooth, obviously LTE, Wi-Fi connectivity, and DLNA for streaming media. So being able to have that HD capability for this phone on Sprint, and then being able to stream it over that LTE network is going to be nice. So it is a 5 megapixel camera with LED flash. You have that front-facing camera for those self-portraits, as well as video chat. Can't really think if there's anything else that... Oh, it also is NFC enabled. NFC. So you do have NFC on here. Not sure about Google Wallet. That hasn't been confirmed or denied at this point. But NFC has been announced, I think, during Sprints. What's that? Okay, so it is capable of providing Google Wallet. Other than that, I can't really think of anything else that I've missed. As far as I know, your viewers are going to want to know, because obviously, you're from a very popular website, and I'm sure your viewers are going to want to know, why is this phone launching with gingerbread? The reason why, viewers, is I can tell you that this product has been in development far longer than ice cream sandwich has been made available. We only just received that SDK from Google last year, at the end of last year in December, so our engineers are diligently working to learn it and understand it, so our future devices will be capable of running it at some point or another, whether it's global or US. Again, it's all at the discretion of our carrier partners as well, so there's definitely a lot of negotiating back and forth between our carrier partners. So this phone has not been confirmed or denied about ICS, but at some point we'll find out for sure in the future. Just wanted to put that little disclaimer out there for everybody, so when they go on and complain about it, they know why. But other than that, it's a very exciting product. We're really thrilled about it. Looking forward to this phone launching in the next few months.
Okay.